one bedroom estimation by using the long wall short wall method. Okay, by using long wall and short wall method. Okay, fine. So before this, what I want to tell you is what is the difference between a long wall and a short wall. So let me make that clear to you. Then we can proceed further.
This is 6 meters, and this is 30 centimeter. Again, this part is 5 meters. Just we'll see. And this is 5.3 meters. Correct? No, because 5 meters plus 0.3. Totally it is 5.3 meters.
Okay.
Now let's classify what is uh, long wall and short wall for this. See, long wall means, just see what is the long wall tell here. It is 6 meters. Correct? No,
Yeah.
long wall means it is entire in this one, which is 6 meters. So one thing I should do here is I have to, 1 second. So this is not like this. It is rubbed here. Okay. So now tell me, long wall is 6 meters. And what is
Okay.
the shortest wall? In this entire
5.
figure, you have three dimensions: 6 meters, 5.3 meters, and 5 meters. So this is big. The biggest one is long wall, and the smallest one is short wall.
Okay.
So this is 5 meters. Got it?
Mhm. Yeah.
But in here also we have to rub this. Okay. Now see here also, but we have to take center line. The name itself suggests you have to take center line, which means you have to take this length. Huh. Again, same dimensions everywhere: 6 meters, 30 centimeter. This is again 5 meters. Huh. This is 5.3. So everything same again here, but the center line distance will be, see, this distance you have to take. Correct now?
Yeah.
Hmm. So what is that distance? 6 minus this much. This thickness is how much? This is 30 centimeter.
Mm-hmm.
6 minus, tell me. See,
That
up till
means
here, out to out, it is 6 meters. But I want only up till here, because again I have to turn here. Like I have to go here and then I have to turn. So this much you have to deduct this portion. That will
okay.
be
Cost
huh,
2.
0.3 by 2 or 0.15 you can say, plus. Now again from where you have to take, again from here. This is 5 meter. From here it is 5 meter. From here this entire line is 5 meter, but this much portion again I have to add. So that will be again 0.15 only, this portion.
Yeah.
Again 0.3 by 2. So it will be 5 plus 0.3 by 2. So it will be totally 6, means 5.5. 5.85 I think. Correct, no? 5.85. Huh. 5.85 plus it is 5.15. So finally total length will be 11 meters again. Same thing. Here also total it will be again 11 meters only. It should be 11 meters. Here also 11 meters. But I hope you understood what is the difference.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes. Yeah.
Correct, no? So this is the
Yes.
difference between long wall and short wall. So we'll learn that more when we solve the examples. Okay. So we'll see what is today's task is to find the quantity for 1 BHK. Plan is given, and the side by side elevation also is given. So this is elevation and the plan is given. Okay. And schedule here: doors, d d1, windows w1, w2, and ventilation. All those things are being given. So let's see this method for solving with long wall. See, one more thing, very important thing I want to tell you is, long wall, for long wall, one important note actually, you have to see out to out dimensions. Out to out. Okay, remember this, out to out dimension. Whereas for short wall, you have to see into in dimensions. Into in. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. So let's begin. Uh, I hope you got this. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Yes. So we'll start with. See what I'll do, Siraj. Let's do with directly with long wall, short wall only.
Okay.
Yes. So actually, I have even written here how to calculate the center line also.
Mhm.
We'll see that in if we in center line method we'll see. Okay.
Okay.
So now directly we'll see with long wall, short wall calculation. So
Okay.
our answer will start from here. Long wall,
Okay.
short wall. Okay. First hall. See what we do. We take it part by part. We
Okay.
calculate part by parts. See this hall. Just see the hall portion here. So what is the
Okay.
dimension for hall portion? It is 4.5 meter into 4 meters. Correct now?
Yeah.
Hmm. So it is 4.5 meter into 4 meters. So let me write here. First portion is hall. Okay. So in that, what is my long wall length? We have to find. Correct now?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
just see. First, you have to add the thickness of the walls. Correct now? Because long wall in the cells, it is out to out. Out.
Abhishek, that's 4.5 from where to where? 4.5 and 4.
Ha. You want this four. Ha. That is also a very correct question. So 4.5 into 4 always means it is in dimension. This is 4.5 up till here only. This
Okay.
in dimension.
And
Now,
4.
and 4 is also here in dimension. Okay, you are
Okay.
asking like this. No, length into breadth always.
Yeah, yeah.
Always length and then comes the breadth.
Okay.
Okay, normal convention.
Okay.
Huh?
Yes.
Into in
In.
all. No. Out to out. These dimensions are into in, but long wall if you want to take, you have to take out to out.
Okay. Okay.
Dimensions will be into in.
Okay.
Okay, once again. So this thickness of the wall again it is 0.23 or how much? Yes, 0.23 only. Huh. Walls are 0.23.
Okay.
Okay, so calculation of long wall is 0.23, then 4.5 plus 0.23.
Yeah.
So this will be uh, 4.96 meters. Okay, calculation if you do, you get 4.96 meters.
Yes.
So how many long walls are there in hall? There are two numbers, two long walls. See, one this portion and one this portion. So we have
Okay.
how many? We can write like this, two numbers.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Next is short wall.
Right, right.
In the same
And
hall. Huh.
Abhishek,
Hmm.
here it is 4.96. Okay.
Okay.
And another wall is there, right? Second wall.
Yes. That only I'm doing now. Short wall.
That is short wall, huh?
See, this is long wall from here to here actually. This is
Ah.
long wall. This part.
There is a door, right?
It's okay. We'll do deductions for door separately.
Okay. Okay.
See,
Like,
first we'll consider wherever there is a open joint here. No, we'll consider that it is a continuation complete. And then afterwards, what we'll do? No, the door dimension we have, that quantity only we will deduct, like 1.2 meter into 2.1 meter, and thickness of the wall is 0.23. This much we will deduct.
okay.
Deductions are there. Okay. Hmm. Then it will become easy for us. Okay. So now see the short wall where we are having it in the vertical direction, that is 2 meter. So here also you have thickness here. The thickness here is again 0.23, and next we have 4 meters to go here, and next again we have 0.23. So this
Okay.
is 0.23 plus 4 plus
Okay.
0.23.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. But for short wall, we have to consider in to in, right?
Yes, I have considered. Sorry, correct. Very correct.
0.23.
Yes.
It's not. Yeah.
100% correct.
Yeah.
So we have to correct only 4 meters. Sorry. I in the flow I just wanted I told like this. Okay, so very good.
It's two
Uh,
numbers, right?
yes, again same thing. Two numbers. Again two numbers itself. So in this way, hall the hall portion long wall and short wall is calculated.
Okay.
So next we have what the bedroom. Okay. Next we have the bed. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just take this a little bit down. So I'll just delete this for the moment. And now second one we have that as bed.
Voice is low.
Huh. Bedroom portion. So just see this bedroom portion. I'll just rub this. Okay. So just come to this bedroom portion here. And in bedroom portion what we have is here long wall. What is our long wall here? Again same 3.5 meter plus
Plus
0.23
point.
plus
Point.
0.23. Correct. So long wall here again same thing 0.23 plus 3.5 meter again plus 0.23 meter. That will be 3.5 meters total. 3.96, sorry, 3.96 meters. 3.96 meters. Fine. How many numbers are there? What are the numbers again?
Two.
Long wall. Yeah. So again we have huh, just here. So for bedroom portion, uh, we have two similar short walls here. See here. We have to take only one long wall here. 3
Why?
3.96 meters. See another. See here. One is short wall. 1 second.
Which one?
Wait. 1 second. 1 second. See, Siraj, here already we have considered this portion. Already we have taken into in the hall portion only, entire this thing came into our picture. Like everything is done from this part, like wall part. Now again, if
Okay.
I take same thing here, it will be an overlap. No, this portion. This
Okay.
portion will be an overlap for me.
Okay.
So that we should not consider. Instead of that, we we consider only this portion as our short wall.
From where to where we should consider?
I'll just clear this and tell you. So only the short wall will only span from here. Only this much. That will be extra, no?
Okay. But long wall too.
Long wall at least this is one. Complete one we can take. Huh.
Where?
1 sec. So long wall at least we have this entire thing to take. This complete entire thing.
Down, down.
Yeah. Tell me. Huh.
Even down. Long
Down.
walls.
Down part. Down portion.
So too, right? Long wall.
Yes, we have two long walls here.
Okay.
Two long walls. One short wall and
Okay.
one more still short. We call this as SW1, short wall 1.
Okay.
Got it? No,
So that we don't multiply.
no. So long wall at least you came to know two numbers. Wait, one by one we'll go. Again we have short wall, so we have to take in to in short wall. So the in to in dimension is directly 3.5 meters. Okay.
Okay.
So this is 3.5 meters. And now one more, I told no, there is one more short wall SW1. This is one number. See, short wall actually it would be two, but already since we have taken this much portion is taken into consideration during the hall calculation. SW1 is the color which I have marked here, like almost blue here. This portion
Okay.
is called as SW1. So how I will get that SW1? So just see how I will get that SW1. So let me rub this little bit. How I'll get that SW1 is, so just see, just project this portion here. So are you able to see like it is same as the passage length, passage width only. So SW1 is 1 meter itself.
Okay.
In that way I got my SW1 as 1 meter. Again there is the quantity is 1.
Just show the diagram again.
See,
Uh-huh.
means
Okay.
that like this, like that only you have to see passage. See
Okay.
here, up till here it is same. So this both will become a rectangle itself like this. So 1 meter if it's here, here also it will be 1 meter.
Okay.
Fine.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we have kitchen. Third portion is kitchen. So for kitchen again we have long wall and short wall. So just see the kitchen portion where it is. See for kitchen, see now again this portion we have already considered this much. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Again it will change. So just see what will be the long wall in kitchen. Let's see here. Long wall. Just see the dimension. See actually this 3.5 meter. This dimension is more this time here.
Yeah.
3.5 meter. So
Still be long one.
that will be our long wall 3.5 plus again outside 0.23. Correct, no?
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So only that much we have to take. So 3.5 plus 0.23. Actually one more 0.23 we would take, but that is already it is taken in the bedroom calculation here.
Okay.
So this is how much? 3.73. 3.73 meters. And again numbers, how many numbers? There are two such numbers. Okay, two. Now again short wall there. So short wall at least is directly you can take it as how much? 3 meters. So we have 3 right now. Short wall
Yeah.
is 3 meters. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Short wall 3 meters. Again the numbers are short wall. Again the number is kitchen. Just see. Huh. So already short wall is only one. Only this portion is a short wall. Only
Mhm.
this much portion is my short wall. There is no 2. Only 1. So
Okay.
it is number one is 1. Okay. So now let's calculate. The third component is bathroom. Bath. So long wall, short wall, and numbers. So just see what is the long wall for bathroom. Let's see the figure. Bath is here. So here also we have taken this portion already. So we should not consider here up till here we can't consider that. Only we have see and dimension here it is. This is 2.73. Vertical length is 2.73 and 0.23 thickness. So 2.73 plus 0.3. Correct, no?
Yes.
Hmm. See in the, it is easy to calculate but it is little bit lengthy.
Yeah.
2.73.
Yeah.
Oh wait. I'll write 2.73. No, correct. 2.73 plus 0.23 that is 2.96. 2.96 meters. Got it? And
Yes.
and numbers actually I should have written here. It's okay. Hmm. Numbers are two such numbers. Short wall, how much is the short wall? Directly it is, let's see here, 1.79 meter only, because in to in, short wall means in to in, 1.79 meters up till here.
Okay.
1.79. This is 1.79 meters. Number is 1. Hmm. Bathroom and then water closet. So third one I'll write here. Fourth one, sorry. uh, so this is one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, should have written 4 here. 5. Hmm. So this is fifth one. So now we have water closet. Okay, water closet, and here also we have long wall and short wall, and numbers we can write it here. So what is water closet? Just see the water closet. In this figure directly you can see the water closet. So already in bathroom we have considered this portion, so we should not consider that again. Okay, so
Okay.
1.25 is horizontal and 1.5 is vertical. So what is the long wall? 1.5 meters. Long wall is 1.5 plus 0.23, again here plus 0.123, correct? No.
Yes.
Hmm. So again 1.5, 1.23 plus 1.5, 1.5 meters plus 0.23. So finally it is 1.96 meters itself. So the number is 1, only 1. Why 1? Just see, because this portion is only once we have to take. We have to take this portion once. So already other portion is been taken in the bathroom calculations. Okay. Yes. So just see. Now next. Hmm. Short wall how much? 1.25 meters. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
1.25 meters. And how many short walls again? There are two short walls. Got it?
Yes.
And now lastly we have passage. So let's see what is the passage. Okay, passage, where is the passage here? So entirely here it is. So the passage here is here. This portion is passage. So I'll just
From
wait. I'll just do it. This portion. This is the passage, right?
why that is passage?
Hey, why in the sense like to for the moment? No, see, the person if he wants to go to washroom here, a wash closet, he will come here. Then you need passage to move, no? Move in front of that.
Okay.
So that is the passage. Here they have given here. See, 1 meter, and one more
Yes.
passage we have here. Here also we have this passage.
Okay.
So this is the
Two.
passage length. Two passages actually.
Okay.
Okay, two passages. Hmm. So first passage we'll see. Uh, yes. Hmm. See. One thing. Sorry. One thing I just want to tell you. So already while calculating the bathroom, we have considered this much portion. Only the passage is this much now. So just
Which one?
see until we are here we calculated no for bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah.
This completely it is over now. This much portion,
Mhm.
and door also is here. It is like this. Door is not in this way. Door is in this way. Got no?
Okay.
See up till here you have bathroom door. From here only the we have passage.
Okay.
Yes. Now the length how we will calculate. Passage is 1 meter length. Okay.
Okay.
Passage is 1 meter length. So it is small wall only. For passage we write it as small wall itself, and length is 1 meter. Okay. Number is 1. Fine.
Yes.
Now number of joints. Very important thing, number of joints. In the building where all you get the joints. Which means 0.23 centimeter or 23 centimeter wall joining 23 centimeter. 0.3 centimeter joining 0.23 centimeter. Sorry, this is not centimeter, meters.
Meter. Meter.
Meter, 0.3 meters joining 0.3 meter wall. That number of joints we have to see. So let's see how many joints are possible in the given plan. So let's see where all we have the joints. So let me start with the identification of the joints. Okay, so just see where all we have the joints. First one
Okay.
means wherever our one wall will get joined to another, there we have a joint. One, next here, two.
There,
See,
corner. Okay.
even even you should consider above the door also, because for door there will not be any wall, but above the door we have wall, no, that is also a joint only.
Okay.
So three, correct. And again we have a door here. See here, in this way it will come door again. Four.
Abhishek,
Huh.
why four? Four, I got confused.
Huh. See, we see there's a door here. This is a door,
Okay.
and we have a T joint. It will become T joint. No, now here.
Okay.
So here also it is touching, and here also it is touching, and there is one more wall like this here. But here we got a L-shaped joint here. Here we have like this joint.
Okay, then why not there? Corner.
Where
But
see one
it
thing
will,
I'll do. Wait, Siraj, I got how to make you understand. I just got one idea. So what we can do is I will rub this. What I will do, just see. I will just trace this out. See what I will do. I will trace this like this. Where all the outer portion of this building is there, no, I'll just go on tracing like this. Like you will understand now. Wait. This is not correct. This color is means it is not fat enough to give you that effect. So now see this much straight like this, straight, 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 completely straight. Straight. It's a joint here also. We have the joint, and we have the joint here also, this much. And here we have the joint, and here continuation, this much we have the joint. So this is done or no? Yes, this is done. See, now you can calculate the joint. See, now I will calculate the joint. See, just you only tell me one, correct?
okay.
uh, this is going, there is no joint. See, joint means more than two t,
Two.
it should connect it, it should become like a T portion here.
Okay.
Okay, means more than two members, more than two members. This will not become a joint, L will not become a joint.
Okay.
So again, if this is moving like this, then it will become a joint. Okay, see, one, sorry, one, now we have two, three, four, 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 we have here four. One second. Mummy, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾನ ನೋಡು. ಏನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Now next tell me fifth one here. Fifth, sixth. Now you can tell me again where. Here. Seventh, eighth, where? 9, 10. Correct now? Got it?
Yes.
This is your when you get in your exam, no, like you can trace like this and do, or once you understood now concept, then you will understand how to calculate. Why we do these joints? While calculating the estimation, while doing the estimation, you'll understand. Okay,
Okay.
got now?
Yes.
So let's start. Okay, measurement sheet. Now I'll not draw, I'll just explain now everything. So this calculation we have done, I showed you, I have calculated this much. So yes, let's begin. Let's begin. Okay.
Deduction is not there.
Deduction is there. What? Tell me.
Starting the door or window deduction for long wall, short wall.
Where here?
There, like in hall and all, long
Huh.
wall.
Yeah. We should do deduction for doors. See, one thing I'll tell now here only. See, we have to do deduction for this door portion, this door portion, this door portion, this window. There will be no brick masonry over there. There will be no brick masonry. Means whatever window height is there, that much there will be no brick. Correct? No.
Yeah.
That we have to deduct. That I will show you. Deductions I will show you. Don't worry. Huh? Okay. Hmm. At least you understood this. No, this is the first thing you have to do for any given plan,
Okay.
whatever it may be, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, or anything. You have to do this much. But comparatively, what I also feel is I feel even long wall, short wall only easiest.
Yeah, yeah.
In central line, no, you may have a little bit chance to uh, get do some mistakes. But in long wall, short wall, each and every part will be very simple.
Mhm.
But one disadvantage is it will take time to solve. So each and every wall we have to do two calculations here. For bedroom, two calculations. Separately, you have to do.
Not Abhishek.
Sorry. I am holding mouse now, so little bit I have to drop that.
Yeah.
Okay, now see, both ways you have here, and what I do? Fine. So let's start.
Yes.
Okay. First measurement sheet. I told you what is measurement sheet. Everything you know. Now, first item number is earthquake excavation. Always earthquake excavation is our first quantity. Okay. What is that? Earthquake excavation. Yes. In that first comes the hall. Means for individually here, we will not take entire building and do the excavation and then we will find. No, we will do component wise, like hall, bedroom, in that way. Component wise we will go. Okay. One sec. Yes. Hall, long wall. See how much we have. We have calculated already the length of the 4.96 meter. Just see the hall where we have calculated. Yes. See, there is 4.96 meters and there are two numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So in this way we go on taking the quantities. See, length is calculated already. Numbers is 2. Breadth is how much? See, length is 4.96 meter. What is the breadth of that wall, hall? Okay, so just see what is the breadth here. 0.90 meter, and the depth is also 0.90 meters.
Okay. From where we got it?
Yeah, I'll just tell you. See, depth we have 0.75 meters. 1 second. Here we have it as 0.75. 0.75. Where is that 0.75 here? 0.75. 3.1 meters. Earthquake. Sorry. Sorry. Excavation. See that's here. Don't think it is a wall now. We are calculating earthquake excavation. Uh, just try to remember before the construction they do the digging. The bulldozers will take the earth out. Earthquake excavation. So just we have to see below the ground how much depth they are going. So here you will in elevation you will get the depth 75 centimeter. Got it?
Okay.
So
Okay.
huh,
90 both are there, right? In
yes.
that section. That in that, which one is depth, which one is width?
So vertical is the depth and this is the breadth.
Okay.
Okay, breadth at
Okay.
least directly they have given, say, 90. So that only we have taken 0.90 meters.
Okay.
And coming to the height, I am doing it here. 0.75 it is given, and the PCC is 15 centimeter PCC.
Okay.
0.15 plus 0.15. 0.75 plus 0.15 is 0.95. So
Okay.
our depth is 0.9 meters. Got it?
Yes.
So same thing for both the long wall and short wall. So multiply all the three, you get 8.035 meter cube.
Okay.
Next we have short wall. Numbers are again 2. Length, now length we have to calculate. We have to see it from here calculation. Short wall is
Okay.
4 meters. Two numbers.
Okay.
Yes. Wait. Everything is same again. Same two numbers. Two numbers.
Deduction you have to do, Abhishek.
No. Deductions we will not do here because earthquake, while calculating earthquake excavation, there is no deduction to do. Everything is we have to calculate the quantity of earthquake. That what you are telling. No, we'll do that in brick masonry.
Okay. Okay.
Your deduction you are speaking about doors and windows. No, that will be the openings in wall. So wall during wall calculation, wall quantity calculation, we'll do the deductions there. Fine, no.
Ah, yeah.
Hmm. So 4 meters we have again same thing. Width is again 0.9, depth also 0.9. So this is the quantity. Got it?
Yes.
Next bedroom. Just see, just see bedroom. Sorry here second. Yes, same thing again. Length is 3.96 meters. SW S1 sorry, one short wall is 3.5. One more short one wall is 1. Okay,
Okay.
just
That
you just remember that. Okay, tell me
how we should write in table. Now
huh.
both short
Wait,
also.
I'll show. See, here also same thing, nothing to worry. Already we have calculated long wall. No, long wall is 1 in number. Bedroom, see, there is a one long wall here, that is 3.5 meters plus 0.3.3 3.96 meters. Width is how much? See, excavation again, that this much depth we have to dig again 0.9 meters only,
Okay.
and height is 0.9. See here, everywhere, Siraj,
Okay.
I'll just take this rectangle and show you. Everywhere you should remember this.
Okay.
Everywhere it is same.
Okay.
Don't worry. Whatever in plan elevation this length he'll give, that much only. First thing is you have to see how much is the depth they are digging. 90 centimeter pit and 90 centimeter in depth. Width 90. This
Abhishek,
much 90.
uh,
Yeah.
Abhishek,
Yeah.
we'll skip this page because I understood. Same, right? Same.
Masonry. Okay.
Okay.
Next one is masonry. First one is hall. Again same two numbers, again same 4.96 meter, but very important thing is wall. Which wall we have to consider? So wait, I'll just copy this. Yes. See, wall. Huh. Just see wall how much it is. Hmm. 40 centimeter. Just see the breadth of the CR masonry. Coarse rubble masonry. See, this is CR masonry means it is coarse rubble masonry. Wait, one second. Coarse rubble masonry, which means this masonry will go only up to this much portion, only this portion.
Okay.
Actually, our wall is this. This portion is our wall.
Okay.
That thing will calculate separately. But the below portion, that is actually that will be below the just above the footing. So that is called as coarse rubble masonry.
Okay. And RR masonry.
RR masonry means this one. Which one? Tell me. This point. This I just showed no now. This RR masonry. This
This one.
portion. This portion. RR masonry.
That.
Here he has given,
Ask
see, in
here.
separate, in question only he has given here. See here. CR masonry. CR masonry is this portion, 40 centimeter.
Or where they written?
Yeah, tell me.
RR masonry, where they have written?
They have written here, see, RR masonry.
Okay, that is for down first footing, right? Like down first step.
Hmm. So actually, that is down only, but still, burnt brick masonry. They have not written separately for burnt brick masonry. Let me see if there is some mistake if I have done. RCC, no. Windows, ventilator, extra plastic, no. So same material only, I think. So CR masonry only, they are calculating it separately. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see that. Hmm. First one, see, CR masonry 2, length is 4.96 meters. Breadth is how much? Here they have given it as 40 centimeter. Here,
Okay.
40 centi. So this we have to take, and depth is how much? 55 centimeter.
Okay.
So that quantity we have to calculate.
Okay. Only from plan only we will get.
Yes. See, you can just random. I'll take one more kitchen. This at least will get in the calculation.
That
Again,
same that first we calculate.
See, I'll show. See, I'll show. Kitchen. Where is that? See, 3.73 meters. Same.
Okay.
And numbers is 2. But width and depth, see in plan. For width
What
and
plans?
depth, see in plan. That is in again, especially in elevation here section.
Okay.
So I think you understood this.
That skip.
Up till here we'll skip, and here also we'll see once again. Laterite stone masonry. Okay, so we have laterite stone masonry. So just see what is this laterite stone masonry, in the sense it will come at the top here. This is your
Yes.
laterite stone masonry. Okay.
About
Ha.
where from?
Wait, wait. I'll tell you. I just rub this. So this is the laterite stone masonry. This portion, this entire portion, and for wall we'll do the deductions. Okay, but while taking completely, we'll take this wall, and for this portion we'll do the deduction immediately after this method, after this step actually. Okay, so just
Okay.
see. So for for laterite masonry, just see what we do. Long wall, again same thing, 4.96 meters. Now the breadth is 0.23, means 23 centimeter wall,
Okay.
and sorry, height is 3.1 meter.
Okay. That is full we have to take.
Yes, full up to ceiling, bottom of the ceiling, so again quantity 7.07. Again same thing. Here also again same thing we have to take. Got it?
Yes. Okay.
So just see 1 second. I'll just copy it there. You just think if you are getting doubt.
I got doubt like laterite stone masonry
Huh.
in section where they have written.
See, there they have not written, but here, but at least I think they have not written in question here. But just think that this is a laterite stone masonry only, or simply masonry. You think brick masonry also, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Some I think we have not mentioned, but we have to take that as a some type of masonry only. But
Okay.
laterite stone masonry we have taken there. Our cert they have written like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, bed, same thing again. Bedroom means bedroom, 3.696 meter. Again same width 0.23, 3.1 height. Where got it, no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So we have can come up till here. We can see up till here.
Okay.
All everything is same. See, once one more I'll show passage again 1 meter width, 0.23 width of the ball, again 3.1 meter height. Passage also that much only, same.
Okay.
Hmm. So you have to make the total. Now comes the deductions. Why you have to deduct is, see, deduction, why we carry out deduction, because this is a wall. Suppose this is a wall and we have a window. Okay, sorry, just take this. Hmm. Suppose we have a window here in this part, like this. Suppose we have a window in this portion, like this, in this way, then we have to deduct that portion, right? We are not going to put any brick masonry over there, so only we will deduct this portion.
Okay.
So that is the meaning. Okay.
Length we have
Huh.
to deduct. Length of
We should
window.
deduct, means this is window actually. Window dimension is given in the plan. See here. Here there are three types of windows, two types of windows used. W1, W2, 2 meter into 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter. So in which portion, which window is there? Like in hall, which type of window is there here? See here, both windows are W1. So you have to deduct W1 quantity. What is W1 quantity? W1 dimension is 2 meter into 1.5 meter, and the thickness here, this thickness will be how much? 0.23. This much quantity we have to deduct.
0.3.
Yes. See, you'll understand now. Okay. Now I'll bring this little bit down. See, deductions. First one, doors. First door deduction. We will calculate this not in a separate way. Like we will not do this in all everything. Directly we calculate the quantities where all the
Okay.
portions are there. D. So total in the total plan, how many D type of doors are there? Only D. See, just see what is the dimension of the D. 1.2 meter into 2.1 meter. So how many they are there? One, two, main doors. I think D is a little bit bigger door. So three. One for bedroom, one for entrance, main entrance hall, and one for kitchen. So we have
Oh,
three. Numbers is three. Height, dimension is given. See, the dimension of D is 1.2 meter into 2.1 meters. Got it?
absolutely, Abhishek. Understood this.
In 0.23. So
Then the one. Now,
again D1 is another zero point 0.9 into 2.1. 0 0.9 into 2.1. This is wall thickness. Okay.
okay.
Next one is windows. So W1, W3, how many are there? You have to see in plan. And according to that, width is given here 2 meters. So here we have 2 meter. 0.23 is the again uh, thickness of wall. 1.5 meter is the height. See here, height 1.5 meter. So W1 same, W2 also same. Just see.
Okay. Understood.
Again ventilators we have. I think you have only two ventilators. Where in bathroom and wash closet. Okay. So there. So again dimensions are given 1 meter into 6.6 meters into depth is 0.23. Thickness, sorry. Okay. 0.6 meter cube. 0.6 meter and 0.28 meter cube. You should multiply all this from here. Then you get this. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Uh, so next one is lintel. So very careful, lintel. For lintel also we make the deductions. See here. Why? Because see here. What we do, there is a opening. Suppose here there is a window. I think, just think this is a window. So above that we have a lintel. Correct? No.
Yes.
Above this we have a lintel. So this portion also we will not do any brick masonry or any type of masonry is not done here. This complete portion is RCC. This will be reinforced cement concrete, RCC portion.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to deduct that quantity for brick masonry. In brick masonry we should not include this. correct? No, so that is
Okay.
what they are doing here. So lintel, where all you get, means this again you have to do it considering hall, kitchen, bedroom, like that. So first
Mm.
hall, assuming lintel, running lintel, assuming running lintel. So one thing, Siraj, you know what is the difference between a running lintel, running,
No.
wait, I'll tell. Uh, Running lintel and difference between, suppose here, I'll just show you in the internet only. I'll just show you what is difference between running. I'll just try to do this like this. Running lintel. Right, 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 right. Let me do it once again. Running lintel. Okay. LIN. Running lintel. Lintel. So running lintel. So we'll see the image here. See, huh. See here. What they do now? Usually, what they do. What is the difference here? In this picture, you can see the lintel is only between this opening. Correct? No, only between the opening here.
Okay.
But in some houses, usually what they do now, like modern construction, they carry out the linteling process completely through all the walls. In this,
Okay.
here, see here, in this picture, you can see completely it is going through all the brick masonry work that is done. So that is continuous lintel, and one more then is brick, like it is a not a discontinuous lintel, you can say. Wherever only the opening is there, they provide there. Usually in olden days they used to provide like wherever the opening is there, only there they provide the lintel, not all everywhere. But nowadays
Okay.
they can provide the lintel throughout the brick masonry, that will give you the additional strength. Okay, and there will not be much cracks, in that way it is there. So here also we have, see, this is like a running lintel, completely run, it is running throughout the wall. Actually it should have been up till here, but it is running throughout. So that is the
Okay.
meaning. Got no?
Yes.
See here lintel. So only lintel is in this portion now. There is a lintel is not continued. So this is not a running lintel. Okay, got it?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm. So fine. Hmm. Where were we? So running lintel. Link again same thing. We see length again 2.9 meters length, 4.9 meters. Hmm. Now thickness is again breadth of the wall, that is thickness of the wall 0.23 meters, and the depth of this lintel or the height of this lintel, it is in, you have to see here, it is given as 15 centimeter lintel. Got this?
Okay.
15 centimeter lintel, which means it is 0.15 meters. Got it?
Okay.
So
And length?
length is 4.96, that is initially we calculated now. So only I have written here as assuming running lintel, means completely everywhere lintel is there, we'll assume. Suppose
Okay.
in question he'll give that it is a running lintel, then only. If he has not given, then you are free to proceed with whatever is applicable. So otherwise, if he wants exactly the same thing to calculate, then he'll mention the lintel is over the doors only, or if he wants it, the lintel is running, which means it is completely. Otherwise
Okay.
there will be one difference, Siraj. What will be the difference is, you need not take this 4.96 meters. Suppose if you are having only the discontinuous, see, just see here, only this lintel if you want to calculate, then what you do, the same width of the W1 is 2.9 2.0 meter, but for lintel there will be so small projection here like this, extra projection will be there, correct? No,
Yeah.
that we will take it as zero point 0.1 meters. 0.1. Okay, so for that what we'll do, uh, where I have written this, huh, here 2.1.10 into 2 means this portion 0.1, and now the width is how much? Width is thickness of the wall 0.23, and the height will be again 0.15. Only this much you take now.
Okay.
But now we have assumed it as a running lintel, then we have to use the concept of long wall short wall only. Means completely long wall 4.96 means your lintel is completely up till here, completely up till here, everywhere. Got it?
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. So again 4.96. See, it is easy to assume this running lintel only. Directly, no need to think about much. No need to run your brain. Just you need to change these dimensions. Everything is
Yeah.
same. Again 0.23, 0.15. That much only you have to do for all the calculations. So next page I'll copy. I hope you're getting.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Bedroom. Next again same thing. Again same thing. Yeah. Like same length and long wall short wall length you take 0.23, 0.15, 0.23, 0.15. Okay. Okay. Just to see in SW1 what we are going to do here. In SW1 we have considered this as the length is 1 meter, everything is same. Again just 1 second. SW1 the depth is 0.15, again same, everything is same, but here we have taken it as 1 meter as sorry, yes, short wall is again we have taken here it as the width is 1 meter. Why, tell me?
Uh,
Because 1.15 meter, so this short wall you can see it is up till here, correct? No, so we are
yeah.
doing what we are doing the deductions, means we are reducing the quantity. So
Okay.
so what we do here, the bed, what is a bedroom? In case of bedroom we calculated the center line as, let me check, SW1 is 1 meters. Got it?
Yeah.
hmm. So where is that? 1 meters
And
length is
point one is from where?
0.15 is depth, yeah, this much depth.
Which one? Just show
Depth,
in the plan.
huh. See here this depth, lintel depth 0.15
Okay.
meters, 15 centimeter.
Okay. 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 For every now
huh.
we are doing here.
For everywhere you have to take 0.15, 0.15, 0.15, 0.15, because this is a lintel. No, lintel you are deducting, means from brick masonry you are deducting the lintel quantity.
Okay. Okay.
It is from brick masonry you are deducting the RCC quantity. That is, this is not, means your brick will not get laid, no, here this portion,
Yes. Yes.
that portion you are deducting, then you in RCC quantity you will take this consideration, because you have to calculate the quantity of concrete, no, there we will take into consideration. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
See everywhere again same, kitchen 3.73, 0.23, 0.15, 0.23, 0.15, everywhere same thing.
Okay.
So passage also everywhere same thing, 0.23, 0.23 meters, everywhere same thing. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the total quantity. So deduction quantity, total deduction quantity is this much, 1.82 meters for, so total brick masonry quantity is 38.13 meter cube. From that you minus total quantity of deduction minus 8.6. Got it?
Yes.
Net quantity is 29.53 meter cube. Fine.
Yeah.
Next, now we'll calculate the RCC. Okay, now we have to include all the RCC quantities. No, first we'll not do any deductions. First we'll include, then we'll see what is to be deducted, if it is to be deducted. Okay. So
Okay.
don't, yes. I'll just copy one more. So it's going good fast. Chajja, Chajja is your RCC. Lintel is your RCC, and one more quantity is slab. Your entire slab will be of RCC. Got it? Three components in RCC: chajja, lintel, slab. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. So first thing what we take here is usually just see chajja. First one we have taken is chajja over W1. Chajja over W1 means above the window W1 here. This is the chajja that we have to take. So that dimensions in elevations will get how much is the front portion, projection and everything here. 2.2 meters. How you got that 2.2 meters as the length? See, it is your window dimension. That is W1 is 2 meters. W1 is 2 meters. See, I'll show you how we got this. W1 is 2 meters. This one length, entire length is 2 meters, and I told you that we have to take zero point 0.1 meters offset here, 0.1 meter offset here, 0.1 meter offset here. Correct? No?
Yes.
Got this? No?
Yeah. Yeah.
If I want, I'll just tell you here. See, actually it is like
Good.
this. Got it? Got it? Wait, once
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got it. Got it.
got it? No? Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still I'll feel to tell you, like window will be like this. So
Mm-hmm.
up till here we have 2.0 meter. This is 0.1. This is 0.1. So 2.2
Okay.
meters. And next
Yes.
we,
Understood.
and this width 0.45 meters. How we got this? Here it is given 45 centimeter projection of the chajja,
Okay.
and depth is given, but always you see the chajja will be sloping. Correct? No,
Yeah.
it has to be sloping. See, here you have how much? Here you have 15 centimeter, and here you have 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter actually, this much, 8 centimeter. So what they do, they take the average mean 0.15 plus 0.08 divided by 2. That will give you 0.23 by 2, 0.115 meters. Got it?
Yes.
And multiply, you get the quantity. Got it?
Okay.
Same thing.
Yes. Same
And
for
same
this.
for W2. W2 also same thing. See, here also the same. Here same breadth and width will be same, only the length will change because the window is dimension is different. No, W2 is you can see 1.5 meters. See, 1.5 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 offset, 1.7
Yes.
meters. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. Now we have lintel. Chajja is over now. Chajja is over because here there are two numbers in the entire building. W1 is here once and here once 2. W2 is 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
And now we have the lintel. Okay, so for lintel, where is the lintel? Here, it's here. As solved, it is already solved. Lintel is already solved. Quantity that is 1.82 meter cube. Got it?
Yeah.
I told you no that we'll take separately. RCC, we take that separately or already solved 1.82 meter cube.
Okay.
Next comes the last component for concreting, that is roof slab. So here at least you have to make the sections here, like you have to divide the entire thing into sections. and then you can calculate. See here, I have calculated it here. See here, you can see the entire plan is divided like this. You should divide this entire plan like this, and you should make sure that section 1, section 2 like this you have to make. See how I have made here section wise here. Just see. So it's not very clear this diagram, but still I'll make that clear for you. 1.48 meters up till this portion. See, they have converted like this. Okay,
Okay.
this portion is 1 meter they have taken, and 1.8 meters. So in this way they have calculated. So don't do that, it is not there. Sorry, it is here. Just see above here. All these calculations are here in this
Where?
diagram. In this diagram I'm showing here. See here.
Okay.
So you should nothing. You have to divide the slab into different sections. Number of sections. That
Mhm.
section, see first section what they have done. They have done this here. One section one. Total length is 7.2 meters. How you get that 7.2 meters is, see here. I'll show you. Don't worry. See here. Length hall. See in the plan. Okay. See in the plan. Entire section here up to here, from here till here I'll calculate this entire thing is section 1. Wait, I'll show you. This entire thing is section 1. From where? From here till here entire thing is section 1. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. So done. If I show now everything you will understand again. See,
Okay.
now you have to take vertical height. Okay, so first thing I told you is inside dimensions, if you see they will be of in to in, not out to out. So I have to even include the thickness of the wall. 0.23 plus the vertical height is how much? 4 meter plus 4.0. Again there is a thickness of wall, that is again 0.23 plus this entire height. How much I get? It is there in bathroom, 2.73 meters plus
Okay.
2.73. Again there is a wall, last end portion, 0.23. So plus 0.23. So if you do this, you can check this. Let me see, just see this. You get this as 7.242 meters. Just check.
Yes. 1 second.
Uh-huh.
Yes, correct.
Correct, no? Same again, width also same thing like this only. How to do? See here we have 0.3 first, 0.23. Now we have to take horizontal, means 4.5 meters, 4.5 plus again wall 0.23, so 4.96 meters.
Yes. Okay.
So like this only you have to calculate, means our entire slab section will come, this entire one slab section.
So
Now section 2 means where we have taken. Section 2 is I think somewhere here he has taken this 2. I'll just see in my diagram here. It will be clear. uh, Section 2 is
section you can take, right, where to
2
where we can.
2 sorry, section 2 is here, not there. Section 2 is, I'll take a different color here. Yes, this is my section 2. This much, this portion, this is my section 2, because here little bit extra width is there, no here. So only this is section 2 now. This is section 2, and section 3 I'll show you. This is my section 3. So this is my section 3, this is my section 2. Got it?
Yes.
So just see section C, section 2, first one length how we get. And one more, there is a section small subsection 4 he has taken. Where he has taken that, once let me see in this diagram here. 1 2 4. Why we have taken this 4? 1.77 meter. Where is this 1.77? Ha. Okay, 1.77 meter. He has taken that section. Roof slab. Okay. 0.123.1. So got this, no? Ha.
Yeah.
3.73. How you get the 3.73? 3.5 plus 0.23 meters. Got it?
Yeah.
Because already we have put concrete here up till here. We have to not take one more 0.23. Only up till here. Got it, no?
That understood, Abhishek. We'll move to pointing.
Okay, plastering. Got it.
That's
See, if you have any doubt, again you can come back. Okay, don't worry. Plastering quantity deductions. So this is the last. This is there and little bit last. Okay.
yeah.
Yes. So plastering, inner plaster. There are two types of plastering. Inside plastering means inside the house, and external plastering is outside. Okay, inside plastering. So first for hall. See, hall inside plastering. What we do here is 8.5 meters. Directly he has taken length as 8.5. How? 4.5 meters plus 4.5. Sorry, plus 4 means here 4.5 meters is plastering here now. Plastering work is done here,
Okay.
and again here 4 meter plastering work is done here. That only multiply by 2 because same thing, same here also and same here also he has to do, no?
Okay.
So that only he has taken twice. Like it, see,
Okay.
plastering work is same, simply like calculating like perimeter 2L into 2B, 2L plus 2B. So only he has taken 2 common, L plus B. So only he has multiplying 2 everywhere, 2 2 2 2 in that way. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Again 8.5 meter, you understood why. And again for height is 3.1 meter up to the ceiling. This 3.1 meter is the height. So
Okay.
everywhere 3.1 meters. And bedroom 7 meters. Why? 3.5 plus 3.5.
Yes.
Kitchen 3 plus 3.5. 6.5. Same. Understand now how to do?
Understood. Adding both long and short.
Yes, that much only. Whatever dimension you are
Yes.
seeing, you just to add. Here 1.79 plus 2.73. Here it is given 4.5. And again 1.25 plus 1.5. 2.75. Passage. Passage here. Very important. Passage I have done this. I have made this as an asterisk here. I will just see. Passage 4.46 meters. Okay, where is that? 5.96. So let me see here. Okay, so for passage, how they got this 4.46 meters is, just see, for plastering here, only this much portion they have to plaster, no? This much portion they have to plaster. So up till 4.5 meters, 4.5 meters completely they'll do. And how much is this? Again, where is that? 4.46.
Okay.
4.5, 4.46 meters, 5.96. Okay, 4.46. Yes, we have it here. that it is not clear in the diagram. I'll do that here. So just see 1 second. I'll just do the diagram here. Once that is clear, then we'll go further.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yes. Huh. Yes. Huh. See in this diagram, no, you have this first portion is here, so everything is there. It's okay. Ah, what is this portion? How much is this portion length? Like you have to see here. Completely this portion length. It is. Hmm. It's like 1 meter. Like entire thing is 1 meter here.
Okay.
Huh? Plus 1.73 into 2. It is total is 4.46. I'll explain. Wait, I am just writing first. I'll explain you. Don't worry. Huh. This is 1.48 meters done, and again we have 1 meter. This is there. 1.48 plus 1, again plus 1.48, and again 1. Again this much is, again it is 1.48, 1.48, and again is this is 1 meter. Okay, okay, fine, fine, I understood. See, this what diagram I have made here, tell me. The diagram what I have made is, I'll just show this in the figure here. You will not understand that now, because now when I tell now, you will say, oh, that is the what, like, because that diagram is this portion diagram. Sorry, not here. 1.4, yes, here. That is from here, this portion.
Okay. Uh-huh.
It is this portion diagram, because
Okay.
passage is there, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So that is passage itself, diagram. Got it? So this green
Yes.
color is passage diagram. So understand like this. Okay. So see, from where I got this 1.48 meter is 1.25. See here, this is 1.25, 1.25 meters, uh, plus 0.23. If you do, you get 1.48 meters. Got it? How I
Yes.
got even this also, you got it. And same thing,
Yes.
this will be a replica, because it is like a rectangle. Same thing here, and 1 meter is passage. Passage. Got it?
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, got it.
Now, so again same, passage 1, passage 2. What is passage? This is passage 1. Passage 1 is this one length, and passage 2 is this one. Okay. So the length of the
Yes.
passage 1 is, just see, it is 1 meter. Okay. 1 meter plus 1.73. So you get this 1.73 from, how do you get this 1.73? So just see, where is this 1.73 meters? 1.71 meter. 1.73. You have this here. You have 1.73 into 2 here. Here it's here actually. This length, I think it is this portion length. Okay, this portion length is 1.73 meters. This portion length is 1.73. There are two numbers, no? This 1.73, and this is also 1.73. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so in this way we calculate this both distances.
Understood.
Tell me.
Passage understood, understood.
Multiply with height. Okay, only height is there. Height,
Okay.
you do that, get meter squares here. Plastering quantity, this is not one dimension, you will not get. B you will not
How,
get, because you understood, no, that
how
plastering you will not get in volume, no. You will not do the plaster, you will do the plaster only to
I
the area.
Not that one, Abhishek. Height.
Height, height is throughout the entire height you do the plastering. You don't do it in the breadth, thickness.
Like showing the diagram.
See, here, in this elevation I'll show. You will do the plastering here. This much you will do plastering.
Okay.
Okay, you will do this here, up till here. You
Okay,
don't do
okay.
it in the, there is no plastering in the wall. Inside the wall you
Okay.
can't do because plastering is only on the surface, no? Surface.
Yes.
So only it is meter square.
Okay.
One dimension you will not get. Okay, so
Okay.
same thing again. You understood, no? Passage 1, passage 2, length and everything I have shown here how to calculate. Total, calculate the quantity. Still we have not done the deduction. Siraj, completely we have selected now. See here, green
Okay.
color use here. Completely we are doing the plastering here. Still I have to
Okay.
deduct from the wall portion. I will not do plastering. That I have to deduct. So next quantity is to calculate the deductions for the walls and other things. So walls. So first doors, D1 dimension is D1. Everything is given. Height of the door is 2.1 meters. Door height always 2.1 everywhere. Door height is 2.1 meters. First D1, for D1 the width is 0.9 meter. It is given here. See dimension
Okay.
0.9 meter. Full face. Full face you have to deduct. Means inside also, outside also will not do, and inside also will not do plastering wall. In case of door, in case of opening, you can avoid plastering both inside as well as outside. Correct, no?
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So next D1, same thing, 0.9 meters. Again, see, this D1 is in bathroom, wash basin, hall. One D1 is in main building. Sorry, main hall. Here again, where I just show 1 second. Wait. Uh, 1 second, 1 second. Huh. One is that it is not clear there. D1 is last D1, which is the last D1, this one,
Okay.
last outside the back opening, backyard door D1. There you will deduct the face. Half face will deduct.
Okay.
Half face deduction. Half face deduction. Hmm.
Okay.
For
Okay.
kitchen, now next see for the kitchen, please. For kitchen it is D, small d, small d for kitchen D. Again 1.2 meter, 2.1 meter, 1.2 meter, 2.1 meter. 2 into 1 face means completely you will deduct, no, for both kitchen. Hello,
Hello.
understanding, no?
Yeah. Hello.
You respond, then I'll just move further. Okay.
Okay.
Again for front hall, front hall, here,
Okay.
front hall,
Okay.
D, front hall here,
Okay.
1 meter.
1 meter and height.
uh,
Okay. 3.1.
Half face, 1 into half.
Okay.
We have to deduct. See, where we do the full deduction, you just understand that we do the full face deduction. Doors D1, where for D1, for
Okay.
day face D1 we do the deduction. For front hall, what we have to do, we have to consider only half deduction there, into half.
Why half?
See here, why half means, see, I am just showing. Huh. Now, here also you need to do the plastering. Here, actually the door chaukat what we call here, that is a frame. Frame will come here. Frame. This is a frame, but still we do the plastering in the side here. Here we do the still the part we need to do the plastering, so only we consider only the half portion there. Okay, one so we cannot consider the full portion, we should consider only half thing. Got it?
Okay.
1 into half means one door is there, then half,
Mhm.
consider half.
Okay.
So see, the frame is there in this way, this is a this is a door side. Here you have the frame actually, and still you have to do the plastering here. Plastering work is done here, correct?
Okay.
No, actually nowadays what they do in apartments and all, they put the granites here, they don't do plastering, they put the granites because the
o-
edges will be straight and it will look nice if you put granites nowadays. But in olden days, for there, it is plastering.
Okay.
So next, let me first, uh, for you I think you are getting late.
Yeah. Not getting weak. I was having a little bit hectic actually.
You have what, tell me.
Headache.
Headache you have, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry. Why, man?
Because I don't know. Maybe because I use lot of mobile because of that. I guess.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay. Even I use laptop a lot.
Okay.
Mobile will be with my mother only. Laptop I use no more. So it is little bit okay. Laptop means you will not get that much strain.
It's like bit
Ah,
far.
routine it will become. No, it will become routine. Sorry. Uh, See this page, no, little bit you have. No, it's not clear. Little bit here. I'll just write that out. Okay, you are able to hear, no? No disturbance, no? Just
No,
put
no.
the door little bit. They are speaking.
Okay. Hello, hello. Yeah, now it's
Uh-huh.
okay.
Yeah, because little bit they are speaking. My relatives they came. Okay. Now see, for door, for Windows, this is deductions. What we are doing? We are doing the deductions. Okay. For Windows, see again. W2. Where is the W2 window here? Just check. It is in the kitchen. It is in the two such windows are there in bedrooms. Okay. So for two, yes, W2 two. Hmm. Sorry, this is W1, not W2. W1. It is very small, so I'm not understanding. W2. This is W1. With the photo, see the PDF I am sending. It will be clear. But here I'll
Okay.
zoom it out. No, it will not be clear.
Yeah.
Huh. See, there are W1. There are two W1s in the hall. W1s. So again, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't think too much. Just minus. Just multiply them by half. That much only. It's your work to multiply them by half. Don't worry much.
Okay.
Huh. See, length is 2 meter. It is the W1's 2 meter, and height is 1.5 meter. That is 1.5 meter. Got it?
Yes.
And same as W2, same thing. There are three numbers W2, so only we have written three here.
Yes.
Next
Next
one.
ventilation.
ventilator V. There are two ventilators. Dimension is 1 meter into 0.6. So just see the ventilator here. 3 into 1.5. 1 meter is the length. It's given here. 1 meter 1.0 and two such ventilators 2 into half. Got it?
Yes.
So total deduction quantity is 19.88. Okay, so from total plastering quantity we have to deduct here. This is total plastering quantity. We have to deduct the walls, doors and ventilator quantity. You got this? This is net quantity for internal plastering,
Okay.
internal plastering inside your houses. Okay.
And length of the hall. So we should be very careful here. So how will you take the external plastering? So where all the external plastering will get applied, you just tell me. The external plastering will get applied from this portion itself. Okay.
Okay.
The external plastering will get applied from this entire portion you should take. Plus this portion again, this portion also. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Fine. So what will be the length? You tell me how I got here I have got it as 9.8 meters. Okay, I'll just write there. So we got that length as 9.88 meters. 9.88 meters. So how we got this length is just see, just for this face. For this face, I'm just speaking of this face. 4.5 meter, and we have 0.23 the wall thickness, and here also again 0.23. So plus 0.23. Got this? Only this much. It's not this much.
Okay.
So we have completed the plastering this side, and here also this plaster length also we have to add. So this entire 9.8 is nothing but the addition of both the faces here. Here both side faces. Okay, so here the vertical length how we will calculate again. We have 4 meters here. Now we have up till here 4 meters. So I'll just rub this. We have 4 plus again 0.23 two times. Okay, 0.23 two times. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Is it correct what I'm doing? Yes. Because here until here, from here to here, entire thing, 4 plus 0.23 times 2. So how much will be this? This how much it will be? 4.46. 2, 3, 23, 23 is 46. Yes. 4.46. And this will be 4.5 plus, let me check. I'll see here, calculator. 4.5 plus 0.23 times of 2. So this will be again 4.96 meters. Okay, both will be 4.96 meters. See, up till here we have done now external plastering, but this portion also is left out. No, this portion.
Yes.
Okay, this portion they have given in the question that this portion is 1.5 meter width. Okay, this is door. So exactly the door thickness. See, what is the door here? Like, in question only they have given. See how we have got that 1.5 meters. Exactly they have not given here. They have not exactly mentioned anything about this, but still we can get that dimension. How? I'll tell you. So this is the dimension, that is 1.5 meters dimension. How we got that is just see. Okay, so how we got that, just see the bedroom. So just see the bedroom. Okay. So for bedroom, huh, length of the long wall of the bedroom, tell me long wall of the bedroom how much it is? 3.73 meters. We have calculated that here. Hello,
Yes.
you
Yes.
able to
Yes.
hear me now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so bedroom long wall we have already calculated. I'll just show you. Bed, where is that bedroom? So long wall we already calculated. Bedroom, so this is how much? So 3.5 plus 0.23. Hmm. Yes, total length of bedroom here again we are getting it as 8.19 meters, and next one is 9.19, and the other next one is 6.69. These are we for plaster we don't get anything. This is kitchen, this is bathroom, or we can even say water closet also. All the numbers are 1 here. Okay.
Okay.
And just let me write the height also, because the height of plastering everything is already it is same, because the entire thing you have to add from this level. Which level? From this level, this CR measuring from ground level, you have to add the all heights, like 3.1 meter, correct? No,
Yes.
you have to add all the heights. That I'll show you. Wait. So again, this is 3.85 meter. These are all the quantities. If you multiply, you get, and this is the total thing. Okay. Hmm. So here, just see, hall I got it. How we got this hall portion? I'll write that in the below. I'll write C for hall length. Hall. I'll just mark this as that length. How we get the length? So we have 4.23 plus 0.23. Okay. So fine. So just see 4.23 meters plus 0.23 plus 4.5 plus 0.23, sorry, 0.23, again plus 0.23, again plus 0.23, again plus 0.23. So many plus 0.23s are there. Okay, we'll see that. We'll see this here. See, Siraj, hello.
Hello, hello.
4.5 meter we have the width here. This hall width 4.5.
Okay.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
You're able to hear me, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
See, 4.5 meters. 4.5 meter is the width of the hall, and two wall thicknesses you have to add, because you have to get this end portion here. Okay.
Okay.
And one more 4 meters plus 0.23 and plus
Only
1.
four?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 4
Four?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಇಂಟು ಇನ್ನಿರುತ್ತೆ 4 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ thicknesses of the walls, this thickness again it is 0.23. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ thickness ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that is again 0.23.
ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು.
ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ thickness ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಇವನ್ at corners also you do plastering.
Okay.
So 4.23 plus 0.23 ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ.
Okay.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರಿಂಗ್. ಆ ಫೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಡೋರ್ ಬಾಜು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಸೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಡೋರ್. ಡೋರ್ ಬಾಜು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಫ್ಸೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರಿಂಗ್.
Okay.
So that is one is again that same thickness of the wall only we will take 0.23 meters. Again here also 0.23 meters itself we take. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೂ 0.23 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ. ಇದು ವಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರಿಂಗ್, ವಾಲ್ ಡೋರ್ ವಾಲ್ I tell, ಡೋರ್ ವಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟರಿಂಗ್. Got it?
Yes.
So if you add all those things you get 9.88 meters. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, if you add that you get 9.88 meters.
Okay.
So similarly you can do it even for the bedroom also. See, for bedroom also same thing you have to do. This is external plastering. Siraj, one thing you remember, that much only you remember, that we are doing external plastering. We are not doing anything. First we are taking everything, then we are doing deductions here. Next step is deductions here. Deduction
Okay.
for external plastering. Again,
Okay.
same thing here. From where you have to take here. So 3.5 meters. Again 3.5. So again I'll write, see, I'll write for all the things. First I'll write, then you'll understand. Like, see, again for bedroom length, how we'll calculate 3.73 meters plus 3.50 meters plus 0.23 two walls thickness plus 0.50. We'll see that. Now for kitchen, one more I'll write. Kitchen, again length will be 3.73 plus 3.46 plus 2.0. Okay. Next one is bath. One second. Bathroom or water closet. Length is 3.73 plus 2.96. Okay. Okay. So first one, the entire thickness of the bed thickness like 8.19 meters, and again 9.19 meters, and again here it is 6.69 meters.
Okay.
Okay. So all those thickness again same thing, Siraj. Just here for bedroom one I'll show, means you are doing the plastering here, where you are doing plastering. I'll just show you are doing the plastering up till here like this. You are coming here, you do plastering, external plastering. Here also you are going to do the plastering here, and you are going to do the plastering here also. This portion itself is 0.5. What I added no here, what you're getting to see here 0.5, no, that portion itself is 0.5, that thickness. Okay, this portion here 0.5. So you can ask me, sir, how you got that 3.5? Because see here, so from here till here, from here till here, entire thing, if you see, it is 3.5. And if you see, this is 3 meter here, this is 3 meter here. So 3 minus 3, 3.5 minus 3, so 3.5 minus 3, I will get 0.5 meter, this much thickness, correct? No,
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
correct? No, okay. And again everything is same, like again same 3.5 plus wall thickness again 0.23 you have to add, and that you know, at least you know that. See, that only
Yeah.
I'm written here. Again 3.5, again 0.23, two wall thicknesses. I just told you which what is 0.5, and 3.3 is vertical again length, vertical external plastering length. That is again 3.5 plus 0.23. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. Again same thing, in the same way you have to calculate for kitchen as well. Okay, same thing again, where all you do for plastering in kitchen here. So for kitchen you have to do a little bit more plastering, because here it will come, and this portion you have to plaster, and this portion also you have to plaster here, until here, you have to plaster, I think. The same full thing you have to plaster. So just let's see how we can write the kitchen here. So 3.73 is what the entire length here. This length from here till here you have 3.73 meters, and now
Okay.
3.5 is vertical. So this is 3.5, here it is there, see, entire thing 3.5 from here till here. Okay, so
Okay.
don't take this thickness 0.23, because already that will cover in bedroom.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
In that way you have to go on seeing. Then like 3.5 over, next one 2.0 meters. I told you, know what is that 2.0 meters? It is this portion. This portion is 2.0 meters. How I got that 2.0 is, so just see, the entire length is 3.5 here until here. Just do it like this. Entire length is 3.5 minus 1.5. See here, 3.5 minus 1.5 is 2 meters. So this is 2 meters length. I have shown you how to get that. Means kitchen's vertical height is 3.5 meters, and up till here, see, both you have a wash basin. Wash basin, this one is 1.5 meters. So 3.5 minus 1.5 is 2 meters. Got it? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, got it, Siraj?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, fine, fine, very good. So this is again same 9.19 meter. So bath
Okay.
or water closet, lastly, again same thing, 3.73, 2.96. So 3. Uh, 3.73, how you got that 3.73 is this length, entire this length is 3.73, because up till here, see here, up till here it is 2.73, means up till here it is 2.73, and this is 1 meter passage. So 1 meter passage, so adding both of them it will be 3.73 meters. Got it?
Yeah.
And again, where again one more thing you have to do plastering is 2.96 meters. Where you have to do? You have to do this phase until here. From here to here, you have to do plastering. So that
Okay.
is how you get that width is. Again, you just do 1.79 length. You have to see length. 1. Let me take this. 1.79. Here we have one bathroom. You have 1.79 plus thickness of the wall 0.23 plus 1.25 plus 1.25 meters. So if you do that, you are going to get what? How much you are going to get? 2.96 meters. So one more 0.23 you have to make here. This thickness also I forgot. Sorry. So this thickness also we have to count. That is 0.23 plus 1.79 plus 0.23 plus 1.25 meters. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So in this way, you can get the thickness. See, little bit. See, let me tell you, in plastering quantity, little bit if you make error also, your answer will not change much. Little bit,
Okay.
little bit error if you make also, your answer is not going to change too much. Okay,
Okay.
a little bit if it's okay, not too much also. Little bit if you do, it's not a problem actually.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So last deduction for plastering, then this topic will get over. So lastly, we are coming to the external. This portion I have completed now. So
Yeah.
until this much is completed. Now deductions for external plastering. Okay. So what are the deductions? First, for doors and windows. So deductions. External plastering. One second. External plastering. We have the deduction quantity for doors. How we are going to do it for doors? Just see. I'll write just here. I'll just take a small deductions. Why I'm not getting this? Sorry. Yes. Now I'm going to get the deductions. You're getting no? Got Siraj.
Yeah. That part I got. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Deductions. First one is doors. Second one is windows. First one. Let's see. First one. Doors. At least we'll see first.
Okay.
I'll write here. Here only I'll write doors. Okay. We'll see that. We will not do this all things. Yes. Fine. So doors. See. So first in that doors we have two categories, D1 and D. So for D1, for both the face, see for external facing, everywhere you have to take half, Siraj.
Okay.
External
Okay.
plastering deduction everywhere half, because some
Okay.
plastering quantity is also required for the window sill. Like door,
Mhm.
you have door here. Like suppose there's a window, you have a sill here, window sill. We call this as a
Yeah.
sill height, window sill. So there also you need to do plastering little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
And so for all those things, they'll not completely deduct full thing they'll not do deduction. They will retain some quantity, that is they'll only reduce by 50%, not by
Okay.
completely full 100%. Okay.
Okay.
So 1 into half. And what is length, breadth, depth, quant, and remark? Okay, just half. So what is the length of the door? D1. So in question it is given. D1 is, I'll just write it out here. Just not scroll down. Again, simply waste of time. So again, 1.2 meter into 2.1 meters. D is simply 0.9 meters into 2.1 meters. So you know what is the thickness of D1? D1, so the door D1 is, sorry, small mistake I made. Small mistake. Huh. So 1.2 meters is D. This is D1. Okay. So for D1, length is 0.9 meters. Okay. Width,
Okay.
and there is no breadth. Okay, everywhere. And height is, we have here 2.1 meter. Both 2.1 meter only. So for door D, 1 into again half, and so 1 by 2 meters deduction, height considering from top of the slab up to 10 centimeter below the ground. See, below the ground, also we do the, see, the height of this one is 10 centimeter below also we have to take. I'll just tell that. So quantity you're going to get this as 0.94 meter square. So here only I'll write here. It's okay, 0.94 meter square, and here you get this as 1.26 meter square. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Uh-huh. So next for windows, second for windows. W1, W2. So again 2 into half, 3 into half. Okay, so 3 into half, 2 into half, and 3 into half. Okay, so length.
Okay.
So tell me the length. Length is 2 meters. W1. You can see that in the question also. Like they have mentioned here. What is W1 is right here 2 into 1.5. What is W2 is 1.5 into 1.5. What is ventilation V is 1 into 0.6 meter. Okay. So you got this. Again, there is no breadth. Again, same height, but window height will be less than door. So 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, that you can see here. Both height are 1.5 meter only.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the quantity. So what quantity you get here? It is 3 meter square, and you have this as 3.375 meter square. Got it?
Okay.
Ah.
Yes.
So again, one more last one is ventilation. Ventilators. So for ventilators, you have V. So there are two ventilators. So 2 into half. I have given already dimension. Length is this much. Again, height is 0.6 meter. So the quantity is 0.60 meters square. So this total quantity you have to, we get this total as 1.9.17 meters square. So finally, so net plastering quantity. Finally, get the plastering quantity. Got it? Net plastering quantity, which is
Yes.
139.46 minus 9.17. You get 30.30 meter square plastering only. So total plastering. So finally, total plastering you get this as internal plus external. Correct? Internal
Yes.
plus external. So just see what is the internal 193.88 plus external 130.30. Finally, we have just a small thing here. Sorry. I hope you got now.
Yeah, yeah, got.
So actually, what we were having when we were studying now, Completely 70 marks, yeah. This problem, one full BHK, one full 2 BHK problem they would give.
Uh-huh.
Completely 70 marks in 100, total 100. We have 70 marks means the total depth of plastering, height of plastering will be this one 10 centimeter below they will go this much. This much 10 centimeter below also there will be a plastering quantity for that also.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
A convention. This is a convention that whatever you above the ground, below that you take 10 centimeter.
Okay.
Like completely like take 0.10, again 0.55, 55 centimeter, again plus 0.05 because 5 centimeter thick they have given here DPC layer 5 centimeter thick. Again plus 3.1 meter is the floor to slab height, and again slab is again 10 centimeters thick roof slab. So got it? Okay. Hello.